So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel 369. So this is a weekly view for 20th till the 24th December. So the caption what I mentioned is volatility in the fall continue or not. So let's see how it's going to react for coming days. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me share my Nifty chart and see how it's going to react for coming days. So give me a minute. So this is a weekly time frame. We saw a big downfall. If you look, it's a strong bearish candle. Okay, and generally what happens if you look at the November 22nd, right, we saw strong bearish. Okay, so then we saw downwards it forming a bearish doji candle here. So even I am expecting a similar way. Once generally if we see a strong bearish candle, there will be some pause. Okay, it may try to form a doji candle in this range or above this from this range. Okay, so that is what I am expecting. So you can see here in this way, below this low we can find we may see a doji candle here or above this for coming week. Okay, so let's look at the levels how it is going to react in coming days. Okay, so this was a strong support here which I have mentioned here. It is holding at this. So if it open gap down, okay, so if it open gap down, then easily we can expect the next support will be 16,740. so that's in support here. Then again what I am expecting is if it open negative, then we can expect it can reach to till 16,700 levels, then bounce back at this range only. So I am expecting in this week 16,750 levels. So that's a range which I am expecting for this week. Suppose if it fails to hold this then easily we can expect further downside till here. Okay, 16,400. But the generally what if it happens, right, if we see a big fall, then it will try to be on the sideways, making in this range. Okay, so 17,000 16,750 range which I am expecting on Nifty. Bank Nifty still showing weak, so I am expecting this range 34,800 range. Okay, that is the low which I am expecting. And as currently if you look, global market is also negative, so we can expect Monday a gap down. So at this range 35,300 levels, and if it doesn't sustain this 35,300 levels, then we can expect till 34,900 range. So at the closing of next week I am expecting it should be at this range. Okay, 35,500 35,000 range. Okay, so that is what I am expecting on this week. Okay, the level what I am mentioning here is 35,000. That's a strong support here. If it fails to hold this, right, then 35,300 and next is 35,000. so that's the range which I am expecting on Bank Nifty. So let's look at the OI data, what the OI data says. Okay, so let me change my screen to OI data. Give me a minute. So if you look here, Nifty OI data, a strong resistance 17,000, and the next support, small support at 16,700, a strong support 16,500. Okay, so minimum what I'm expecting on the downside is 16,700, and if it fails to hold, then the next support is 16,500. So it should be in this range for this coming week. Okay, and you can see very strong resistance holding here, call winding at this levels. Okay, so that's the reason I'm expecting 17,000 and 16,700 minimum on the downside Nifty. Let's look at the bank Nifty. 35,000 is a support here. Okay, so that's a strong support here, and resistance is 36,000. So it should range, the range should be at this levels, 35,000, 36,000 for this week. So that's about the OI data analysis. Let's look at the stock for coming week. So before that, this is our training program. So we are going to start a new batch in coming week. If you guys are really interested to learn technical, you can join our training program. This is a topic which you are going to cover. Okay, so session is only on the weekend, so minimum hours per on the weekend is right, 3 to 4 hours. So per session, 2 4 sessions. So that's a training program. Let's look at the stock for Monday. Oro Pharma. So you need to watch the price above 690. Okay, so it need to cross this resistance, then only we can expect positive. And if once it crosses 690, right, then easily we can expect 700, 712 in the levels on Oro Pharma. Next is L&T. So we saw some profit booking on Friday. So once it fails to hold is 1830 levels, right, then easily we can expect 1820, 1800 will be the next level on L&T. Okay, just dial, you need to watch the price below 790. Okay, you can see a downtrend here. Okay, so it's completely downtrend. If it fails to hold this 790, right, then we can see further downside till 750 minimum, or 770 is the minimum target you can keep. So that's about the just dial. Next is Prestige Estates. Okay, so there was some news on the real estate. So once it's look positive, you are above 460. Okay, then we can see easily 470, 477 will be the target for Prestige. Okay, the above you need to watch for 60. Okay, so that's about the stock. Let me check if I received any queries. There was one query already queued. Let me change my screen. Hfcl and Paytm. Okay. Paytm, you need to be very careful. Okay, so at this trend line, okay, if it fails to hold this 1300, right, should be very careful. Okay, and then again we can see a big fall in Paytm. Else we can see the bounce back till 360 on Paytm. So this is the support what you can expect here, 1300, 1360 range. So that's about the Paytm. Next query is Hfcl, right? Hfcl Limited. Looks like it has taken a support at 76. Okay, so that's a support here and trying to bounce. The target easily you can keep at this level. It's still positive. Okay, and the support for now will be 80, so we can keep this as 79, 80. So range is in this 83, 80 is a range. So once it break this 83, right, then easily we can expect 84 and easily 86, that level. Next one is Bank of India. So all bank stocks is not performing well, guys. So Bank of India. State Bank of India or Bank of India? Should be a State Bank of India. So let me take a State Bank of India. Okay. So State Bank of India, let me delete all this. Okay. So it's still on the lower side. So you can draw a trend line here. This support. Okay, so it's already broken this support. Then we can still expect downside till here. Okay, so that's in 450 strong support here. If it fails to hold, then we can see further downside till 430 levels. Okay, on State Bank of India. So there is no positive sign showing in State Bank of India. Still showing negative 455 and 430. If it is positive, it need to break this 480 levels. Okay, so then only we can see a reversal again, bouncing back above 500, 514 levels. Okay, so that's about the stock, guys, and thanks for watching our chart traders channel. See you on the next video. All these levels in the chart will be shared in our Telegram channel, Chart Traders 369. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Happy trading and thanks for your time. Cheers, bye.